And now it is time for the Sea Lion Splash.
McGaw Elementary loves its military families, and special thanks to Miss Cynthia Villa to get us this distinguished recognition of being a Purple Star School. We want to support our military families in the best way we can, and you have led the way. Thank you so much. You'll learn more about this during the Week of the Military Child.
This is Sea Lion leader Yusuf Bari with this week's announcements. It's Neurodiversity Week. Together, we're learning and celebrating the unique strengths and differences of our sea lions. Wear mismatched clothes on Monday because we're recognizing diversity at our school. Kindergartners are going on a field trip to the farm on Monday. Enjoy the trip. Support Project Seek on Tuesday by ordering out from Domino's. On Wednesday, wear the colors of your grade level. TK and K wear red. First grade wears orange, second grade wears yellow, third grade wears blue, fourth grade wears green, and fifth grade wears purple. The top winners of the Jogathon will finally get their game truck experience on Wednesday. How cool! The pageant cast party is after school on Thursday. You did an amazing job last weekend. Wear spirit gear on Friday. Imagination Machine assemblies are all day on Friday. Get ready to watch some fun stories come to life. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
The 41st Pageant of the Arts at McGaw Elementary School was an absolute hit. Here are some students who want to share their experience with you.
This year in pageant, I learned that I want to do more theater.
Pageant is special to me because I get to hang out with my friends and I can dance, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me to express myself and have lots of fun.
During pageant, I felt excited and happy and joyful, and it was really fun.
I think pageant is important to McGaw because people get to have a fun experience and get to know friends better.
Pageant is a great way to connect with friends and a great way to step out of your comfort zone and try something you maybe haven't tried before. And it's probably also a really fun way to connect with friends and something you both enjoy and to have a really fun time outside of school.
We want to say thank you to Miss Leslie Ober for leading us as the director of pageant for all these years. You've done an amazing job in sharing the love of the performing arts with our community.
Got a rabbit.
High five. Yeah.
Kindergarten.
Our first raw buck of the week goes out to UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class, Sophia Barbato. Miss Silveda writes that when other students spilled milk at the lunch table, Sophia went and got paper towels all by herself and helped to clean it up. Now that's some raw behavior.
First grade.
Our winner in first grade comes from Miss Lupescu's class. Congratulations to Mason Rose, who was helping out on the green team. Thanks so much.
Second grade.
Our second grade winner got a raw buck from Mrs. Lee. Congratulations to Summer Heidel. She says that Summer is a future teacher. Alert, alert. Summer stepped up to reteach and support 4 students that missed the ELA lesson. Way to go, Summer. You are a natural.
Third grade.
Mrs. Lisa is super excited to give a raw buck to third grader Blake Kotecki. She says that Blake did a fantastic job learning and following directions on her first attempt on the violin. Way to go, Blake.
Fourth grade.
Our winner for 4th grade earned a raw buck from Miss Kylie Brooks. Congratulations to Seja Singh. She says that you get a raw buck for always being a good friend and partner to the students in room 33. Thanks so much, Sejas.
5th grade.
Our final raw buck of the week goes out to Hope Simpson from 5th grade. Hope was so nice helping Miss Turner locate a student during recess. Thanks for being honorable and aware. You're awesome, Hope.
That's it, humans. Have a good week. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.